If you've been looking at the car market any time in the past 20 years or more, you will have seen safety ratings. The highest is 5 stars. In Australia, this safety rating is given by ANCAP, the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, founded in 1993. And now includes accident avoidance. This year an underwater test is being added, perhaps triggered by the growing incidence of deaths when cars are swept away in floodwaters. Our 18-month-old 4th generation Toyota Kluger has autonomous braking in both forward and reverse. If the car detects an impending collision, it applies the brakes and stops the car. It detects other cars, cyclists and pedestrians. If you're driving a recent car with autonomous braking, you may have experienced it in action. Until yesterday, I hadn't. I was driving along Parramatta Road at Homebush about 3 p.m. Traffic was light. I was changing lanes ready to turn left. Buildings were throwing heavy shadows across the lanes. I noticed cars in lane 2 and 3 were slowing. Then I saw why. There was a pedestrian in the shadows crossing in front of the cars. I slowed to let him gain the footpath safely. Then I saw a second pedestrian emerge from the shadows in front of the car in lane 2. Autonomous braking reacted. Tyres squealed as full braking was applied. Having now experienced autonomous braking, I'm so impressed with the early recognition of the danger and the short stopping distance. Do you have any experience with autonomous braking? Share your story in the comments below, and give me a thumbs up if you found my video useful.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Pomeroy Street.